1 Minute Inspirations, Henry Street Church of Christ. My aliases. And when he found him, he brought him unto Antioch. And it came to pass that a whole year they assembled themselves with the church, and taught much people. And the disciples were called Christians first in Antioch. Acts chapter 11, verse 26, King James Version. It is obvious that God's people go under the name Christians as our most popular designation. We are Christians, followers of Christ. However, do you know that we are called more than that? We are disciples because disciples are learners. We are there to learn God's ways and what he wants us to do as his children. He is the only one who can show me and all mankind how to get to the Father. John chapter 14, verse 6. We are faithful brethren because we are loyal to the Lord and members of the Lord's church. Colossians chapter 1, verse 2. We are saints because God set us apart as holy in his sight. We are the elect because God selected us for salvation. Matthew chapter 24, verse 31. We are the church, which are those called out from the world. Romans chapter 16, verse 16. We are the flock, God's sheep and not the goats. Matthew chapter 25, verse 31 to 46. We are God's children because he loves us as his own. Matthew chapter 5, verse 9. We should say to ourselves, man can call me what he wants, but at the end of the day, we want to hear God call us good and faithful servant, so that heaven will be our home. Matthew chapter 25, verse 21. God bless you. Thanks for listening.
This is a ministry of the Henry Street Church of Christ, 309 Henry Street, Gadsden, Alabama, USA 35901. www.henrystreetchurchofchrist.com. Please subscribe to our channel. God bless you.